Yes, yes, yes. You are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, one and all. I am Pralubdha Mishra, hereby going to welcome our guest for today, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Padi. He is a senior lecturer in psychology at Mohasi College of Natural Law, Bhubaneswar. He has 30 years of experience in the field of teaching. He is a dedicated and student loving teacher and also believes in having peace in his life. He is also a dedicated family man and a dedicated person to the society. Sir, on the behalf of Hey Foodie, I am welcoming you to our show today. Now,
Thank
our
you.
host for the day, Ms. Sadhan Sadia, will carry forward. Sadia, over to you now.
Hello, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. A very good evening, sir. My name is Shada Sadia, and I'll be the host for the show. So, how are you, sir? How is your
I
life
am
going on?
fine. First of all, thank you for calling me for this meeting. Okay, I am very fine.
It's our pleasure, sir, to have you. Okay, sir. So, likewise, the Pralubdha said that you teach psychology in your college, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, sir, this term has always been very fascinating to me. मैं बहुत ही मतलब शौकीन रही हूँ इस term के लिए, but I never got a
Hmm.
chance to know about this. So, can you please give some insight about the subject?
Okay, you see, psychology is the only subject that try to understand the human beings and the animals. Uh, though we understand the animals to some extent, but as humans are very, very complex, it is very hard to understand them. Still, psychologists try to study their behavior and the mental processes they have. Okay, and mostly we see whatever problem we have is psychological in nature. And nowadays you see the number of suicide cases, it is purely
Yes, sir.
psychological. And there,
Yes, sir.
here the psychology people can help them. Okay.
Yes, sir. So that is really interesting and that is really helpful field for the humankind.
Yes, yes.
So yes, sir. So as Pralubdas mentioned that I came to know that you balance your work life, your professional life, and personal life very well. Okay, so how do you manage to do that, sir? Like, how do you balance it all?
Mostly I am dedicated to the professional life, and what
Okay.
the family life I have a very good understanding wife and a daughter. So they don't they support me in this respect. That's why I am able to do much of the work for the college and for the students.
Then I must say, sir, you're a
Mostly
very
they,
lucky person. Yes, sir.
I'm
Continue.
I'm very lucky person because I have a very good understanding wife and daughter. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's really important. Family support is also very important. Okay,
Mm.
so as from the last 3 months, we have been witnessing this pandemic, this lockdown and all. So how has this pandemic actually affected your work life? क्या changes रहे हैं, क्या challenges आए हैं आपके work life में, sir?
You see, there are different phases of lockdowns. Lockdown 1, lockdown 2, lockdown 3. Okay. So at
Yes.
first, the first lockdown continued up to 14 to 21 days. At that time, we were thinking, okay, let's enjoy the free time because mostly I was engaged in college work and I got a time to have to spend much of the time with my family members. So we enjoyed a lot that time, and I started reading my um, books, the study materials, and also storybooks. I was not getting time before to read the storybooks. So during this time, I started reading the storybooks and also prepared some notes for the students and also send them in the WhatsApp so that they can prepare for the examination. But unfortunately, our examination has been cancelled. Okay. Still, I am preparing
Yes.
some notes and I am preparing PPTs so that I can present them when we'll have online classes. We are soon going to start online classes. There I will go to present these PPTs and the necessary study materials to them.
तो सर
Okay.
अगर मैं वर्कलोड का बात करूँ, जी सर, अगर मैं वर्कलोड का बात करूँ तो वो शायद 100 से 200% हो गया है, नहीं सर?
हाँ, वर्कलोड तो बहुत है कॉलेज में. वो तो academics के बाद भी there are some non-academic works also. I am being given many of the different kind of charges. I am in charge of many different functions. But during the lockdowns, I was free from these functions. So only I concentrated on the academic materials and prepared myself for the online classes.
Yes, sir. Okay, so now if I talk about my favorite thing is food, sir. मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है, like मैं बहुत शौकीन हूँ खाने पीने की. So what about you, sir? Are you a foodie? Like आप खाने पीने के शौकीन हो?
Unfortunately, one of the most difficult work for me is eating. I'm
How come, sir?
not at all a foodie. Though I enjoy food, but I usually what happened, I cannot, previously I was not able to take the taste of the foods. After I got married and after 10 years of marriage, my wife make me to taste different type of foods. And one, I have a brother who also got me into the taste of foods. Nowadays, I am enjoying food, different type of foods. But previously, I was not at all interested to eat.
तो ये स्पेशली
Nowadays,
लॉकडाउन में आप enjoy कर रहे हो? जी सर, स्पेशली लॉकडाउन में ये हो रहा है या फिर पहले से ही?
No. It is 4 to 5 years now. I got interest in the foods, tasting different type of street foods, and also different other type of foods.
तो अगर मैं आपको एक डिश का नाम बताने बोलूं कि कौन सी ऐसी डिश है जो आप मतलब दिन रात खा सकते हो, आपको कभी भी वो ऑफर करे एंड आप वो इजीली खा लोगे उसे, आपकी फेवरेट डिश सर?
I very much like rice. Okay, rice and dal. I very much like, and also I like fish. Specifically, the prawn. I like very much prawn items.
Okay, so quite a healthy one. Okay, so क्या सर आप are you into cooking and all? कभी आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है किचन में?
When I was a bachelor, I used to cook. But once I got married, I left cooking, and I'm not getting the chance to experiment and all. Made a tomato sauce to it, and we have a I have a neighbor. I offered some chicken to them, the curry to them, and after eating the curry, they praised very much that you have cooked very well. That is the best part of my life, of my cooking in bachelor life.
So सर ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही आपने इतनी बड़ी डिश बनाने का फैसला किया था या फिर ये?
That was not first attempt. I had cooked 3-4 times, but that was the that time it was the best taste I got.
Okay, very good, sir. So if I would ask you to select one from homemade food or restaurant's food, what would you select?
I'll surely prefer homemade food because I am very much fond of our country foods. The local foods, what is being made in the home. I prefer that type of food. Always I eager to eat that type of food, just like some local foods. I cannot name them. We have some local foods in Odia. I like those foods very much. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Just I believe some technical issue is from your end.
I can
just
listen your audio, but I cannot listen, see your video. Can you listen me?
I'm able to get your voice, sir.
I'm not getting the video. I got your voice, but I'm not getting the video.
Just wait for 1-2 minutes, sir. Maybe some technical
Okay.
issue is there. Yeah.
Okay.
So meanwhile, if any audience has any questions, they can ask from sir. Sir is basically a professor of psychology, so you can ask your doubts and any query if you have.
Hello, am I audible now?
You are audible. Yes.
So sorry, sir. I just lost the connection. I'm really sorry. ओके सर, तो हम लोग जहाँ खाने का बात कर रहे थे, तो जितना खाना जरूरी होता है उतना खाने को पचाना भी जरूरी होता है. तो आर यू इनटू सम एक्सरसाइजेस, योगा और डाइट?
I normally eat the amount of food I need, but I never got into any kind of exercise or yoga till now, and I was not having any kind of health problems also. I am fit and fine. Till now I am fit and fine. Sometimes I take evening walks. No other exercise. I do some gardening works. That much. No other exercise.
I think so. तो आपको
Exercise is very.
Yes sir. Continue.
Exercise is very important for life. One should exercise so that will be healthy. But basically, I keep myself very happy. I think that may be the reason of my health. I keep myself very happy. Don't take stress. Usually, I think things in a very positive way. That's why I keep myself stress-free.
And I think the reason is your lovely supporting family, sir. That is the main reason, I believe.
Yes. Surely
yes,
they are.
Yes, sir.
They are backing me. They are keeping me healthy.
Definitely, sir. Okay, sir. So now I would be moving to game section. मैं आपके साथ एक गेम खेलना चाहूंगी. Okay, sir. एक रैपिड फायर राउंड रहेगा. इसमें आपको आंसर्स बिना सोचे, मतलब जो पहला थिंग आपके दिमाग में आए आपको वो आंसर करना है बिना टाइम लिए. Okay, sir. So my first question to you is, what is your favorite street food?
Favorite street food?
Yes, sir. जल्दी से जो भी आपके दिमाग में आए.
You know dahi vada, Alugam dahi vada?
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
That is my favorite street food.
Okay, interesting. And who is the best cook at your home?
My wife is the best cook. Nowadays, my daughter is cooking better.
Tough competition, sir, right?
Top competition, because she is cooking, looking at the YouTube recipes.
Yes, a nice source. Okay, so next question is, what would be the 2 words to describe you?
I am a very
yes,
I am a peace-loving person, and I want love to prevail, peace to prevail, peace and happiness.
Sir, very nice. Yes, sir. So now imagine that you have won $1 million lottery. What will you do?
$1 million lottery. First
Yes,
of
sir.
all, I will establish a old age home because my wife has a dream to work for the
No.
old people. She is very much fond of old people and to help because we see many of the problems in our own home and other homes
Yes, sir.
about the old people. So first of all, I will establish a old age home and gift her that you take all this money and whatever you want, you do for the old people.
Very noble thought, sir. Very noble thought. Okay, so if not a teacher, what would you have selected as a career?
Agriculture. I
Agriculture.
love
Okay.
agriculture. Yes, yes.
Wow,
I am
sir.
still
Very
in fond of having a farmhouse and do many agriculture works there. But unfortunately, I am not having a farmhouse.
ओके सर, तो वो $1 million में दोनों हो जाएगा सर, फार्म हाउस भी और आपका ओल्ड एज होम भी.
हाँ हाँ वो
Right.
दोनों हो जाएगा.
Okay, so my last question is that name your favorite student, and I want to know the reason why he or she is your favorite student.
I have many favorite students, but one of my students, though she's not in my profession or not got into teaching profession, he's now a counselor, and he's a very liking student of me. That there is a good reason behind that. Can I tell that reason?
Yes, sir, I want to know what has
Okay,
impressed you.
that student's name is Mihir Mohanty, and he has worked very. He has done some counseling and helping work during the super cyclone in Odisha
Okay.
and also in
Yeah.
other cyclone affected areas, even in tsunami in Sri Lanka, Andaman Nicobar. He has done very good work. Okay. I like that student because when he entered into the honors, he was the second best student of me. When he entered into honors, he was from science background. And
Okay.
at the first examination he appeared, he wrote like this. He was totally not written any relevant information relating to the subject matter. But he has written that, sir, I do not know anything about psychology. I am a student from psychology background, from science background. I don't know anything about the psychology. So I don't understand. I am also, for that reason, I am not attending the classes. Like that, he has written his own problems. Okay. Then I called that student and asked him that don't get afraid, come into the class, listen the lectures carefully, and when you don't understand, you can come to me. I can personally explain you. And within 2 years, he transformed totally. And he become a psychologist now. You can go
Wow,
to
sir.
the area where he has worked. People are still remembering from 1999 super cyclone. He left that area, but still, if you go to that area and ask his name, people still remember it. He has done such a marvelous work. That's why he is favorite to me. Still, I have contact. Sometimes he calls me. Now he has a family.
So you must be a very proud teacher, right?
Yes. I have so many students,
Okay.
but that student has fascinated me more.
Honesty impresses you, right, sir? वो जिस तरह
Yes,
से honest थे और अपने पेपर में लिख दिए, right?
yes. And
Okay, sir.
it changed his life also.
Yes, sir, definitely. And also the credit goes to you. आपके जैसे, you know, sir, ऐसे helpful और understanding professor भी मिले जो बुला के डांटने लगा दिए वो सब लिखने के लिए, and you helped him. So the credit
I'm very much
definitely goes to
friendly
you.
with my students. I'm very much friendly with my students, and I go on making humor in the class. So my students very much like me and also love me.
Yes, so lucky student, lucky family, lucky professor, everything lucky.
That's
Very
why I
nice,
am
sir.
very happy.
Okay. Yes, sir, very good. Okay, so now I would like to open the house for one lucky question. Audience, do you have to ask anything to sir? You may put forward your question.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yeah. Sir, this is Dipesh here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I wanted to know, is there any relation between psychology and food?
Psychology and food.
Yeah.
Surely, there is a very good relationship. You see, unless you psychologically ready to eat something, can you eat? Unless you psychologically ready to accept one type of food, can you accept? You cannot accept. Okay. For example, what is psychology? Psychology is everything of your thought and behavior, of your cognition, whatever mental process you are carrying, of your feelings, of your attitudes, everything together is the psychology. Okay. So unless you prepare yourself psychologically or prepare yourself to accept something, you cannot do that. Even if that may be the greatest of greatest taste, you cannot do that. You cannot accept it. Am I audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Do you get
Yeah.
my point?
Yes, sir. I got the point. There are a few more questions, I believe, from audience
Okay.
in the chat box. Siddhant Sood asks, how does knowing and learning psychology affect your day-to-day life?
Okay, you see, normally, psychology is nothing new. Psychology is with every person. But the way we think is different. And learning psychology gives all the information to understand yourself better, to understand your thoughts, to change your attitudes, to understand your emotions. That is a very important aspect of life. To know, because we know about the anxieties, depressions, phobias, and all other different type of psychological disorders one can suffer. So whenever that come, we handle them better in comparison to the normal people. Okay. Hello.
सर एक yes sir, yes
Sir.
sir. Thank you for the answer. एक और question है सर कि इस पैंडेमिक में सर जो स्ट्रेस हो गया है और जो होम सिकनेस हो गया है घर में रह के, तो हाउ कैन यू डील विद दैट? हाउ कैन यू डील विद दैट? मतलब आप क्या ऐसा एक टिप देना चाहोगे?
I see you can do many different kind of works. If you have a garden, kitchen garden, or you have a rooftop garden, you can do different kind of activities, gardening activities there. And also you can take a evening walk and morning walk around. If it is you have a empty roads, okay, or
Yes sir.
you can engage in some play activities, play with your children, play with your spouse, have a get together and eat together, just make some humors with them, with the children. You can spend your time, read some good books, story books, that will help a lot. I was also acting as a counselor during the first lockdown period. People were asking questions relating to, we are not getting sleep, insomnia, we are becoming insomniac, how to deal with.
Yes.
That was a major problem at that time, because they are not getting time to get out of the room, out of the house. There was a fear inside, much of the anxiety inside. Nowadays that anxiety has reduced a lot, that fear has reduced a lot. But at the first lockdown time, people were in panic.
Yes
Okay.
sir. Definitely.
So you can engage yourself, keep yourself. Happiness does not come from the outside. You
Yes,
create
sir.
happiness from within.
Sir, next question is, yes sir, you were saying something?
No, nothing. Nothing, Shagan.
Okay. So sir, next question है कि how does psychology relate to the real life situation?
Psychology is real life situation. Whatever you do, it is psychology. Whatever you speak, it is psychology. Whatever you think, it is psychology. Whatever you do, it is psychology. Whatever feelings you have, it is psychology. We are not understanding others because we are not listening others. That's why we have many unfortunate events. Even we are not listening to our children, we don't have time. We are not listening to our relations. We are not understanding them. Okay. So psychology is very much related to the present or real life conditions.
Yes, sir.
What you need is you have to uh, understand others. You have to listen. You have to see what the cause behind. We try to see the cause behind. A person is doing something. Why he had done that? Once we know the cause, it will be better, easier to control. It will be better to predict their behavior so that we can help them in the time of need. Do you get my point?
Yes. Yes, sir. Understanding each other will also reduce the conflicts. Like
Yes.
लड़ाई झगड़े कम होंगे and उस तरह से
हाँ.
ये help करता है psychology.
What
Yes,
you
sir.
need
So-
is you have to reduce your inflated ego. Ego
जी sir.
is one of the major problem we have. That's
Yes, sir,
why
definitely.
we go on thinking that I am right, all others are wrong. Not we are not. They are not wrong. They are thinking in a different way. We have to understand them.
Okay, sir. Sir, एक यहाँ पे थोड़ा funny question है. Like, suppose if you were a food, what will you be?
If I'm a food,
Yes, what
I'll be.
what will you be, and what benefits will you provide to others?
I'll be. I am very much fond. I don't get the English word for that. Leaves. Do you know sajana? Do you understand that? We have we cook the leaves of that tree. We also
So फिर से बोलिए sir.
drumsticks. You know
हाँ हाँ, drumsticks I know. Yes sir.
हाँ, वो जो ड्रमस्टिक ट्री होता है ना, उसका जो पत्ता होता है, वो पत्ता होना चाहूंगा. वो वेरी टेस्टी होता है और उसमें आयरन भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है. वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ.
Okay, sir. Very nice, sir. So, I think there's a last question. Like, sir, if we want to get an insight into human behavior and the psychology related to it, where do we begin? Can you suggest some books or courses, sir, for the subject psychology? Beginners के लिए क्या होगा?
There are many basic books, but basic books can provide you about the psychological processes we have.
Okay.
The understanding psychology needs much of the observations, patience, and listening a lot and observing the behaviors of others.
मतलब ये एक long term
Very
process है,
important.
sir.
हाँ, ये लॉन्ग
कोई
टर्म
एक book
प्रोसेस
से
है.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं, बुक से होगा, लेकिन unless you understand the basic processes, you cannot understand a human being, because what you are doing, it all depends on your learning, on your belief systems, on the memories you have, on the way you are processing the information.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to understand the basic processes first, then we can understand a human being. We can
Yes,
see
sir.
why he is doing that, whether it is the belief system that acted, whether he is processing that information in that way because of the previous learning, like that. Many of it is very complex. Humans are the most complex animals.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
effort we can do, we cannot understand a human being fully. But
Okay.
we can understand a human being if we try to understand and give patience. We should have patience first. We should
Yes, yes.
listen others.
Complex but interesting one. Okay, sir.
Complex.
Thank you so much,
This
sir,
is the
for giving
only
us.
science.
Yes, sir. Oh,
This is the
yes.
science of life.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Psychology is the science of life.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time. We will be providing you an e-certificate for the participation. That will be a small token of gratitude from our side.
Thank you a lot.
I hope
Thank
you
you.
had a great time, sir. We had a great
Yes,
time
yes.
listening to you.
Yes, it is a great time for me. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Everyone, you can also follow us on various social media platforms.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.